It is now an established reality that a lot of us are going to be working from home for an extended period of time. For many, it has the potential to become a permanent arrangement. Initially, it was fun for a variety of reasons, but slowly, after a few weeks, the downside of this arrangement also has become apparent. The advantages of work from home situation are considerable as you save time, energy, and money spent in commuting. You can also work at your own time, and at least to some extent, that straight jacketing time slots are not required. The same factors which are considered advantages can also work against you. For example, flexible time can mean at one end extended work period and an always on situation where you are expected to reply to emails and messages late into the night. And at the other extreme, it could mean that you may be in charge of a project but are not required on a day to day basis to be reporting, and hence it can become a situation where you procrastinate a lot. The other major hindrance to effective work from home is the sheer amount of distraction one encounters regularly due to the noise of traffic or some neighbor activities, or even in your own home due to your hyperactive kids or the family members doing household chores in your vicinity. Be that as it may, we need to accept the reality that work from home is the future, and for the sake of our career and our own future, we need to purposefully plan to be doing it effectively. So, here are some tips that I would suggest. A lot is written about the importance of getting up early in the morning and starting work. It is believed to be the commonest trait of the successful people. There is even a book written about it called the 5 a.m. Club. The reasons are obvious. In early hours, there are almost no distractions from humans or from any of your gadgets. You can focus better and churn out quality work. The trick is to plan the previous day what are you going to do the next day so that you can take advantage of the early morning energy and freshness of your mind and get the most intense and productive work done first thing in the morning. There is a lot to be said for the early morning routine, but some people are just not cut out for this. They are more comfortable being night owls. They need not lose heart. It is not like if you are a late riser, you can never do good work or you can never be successful. It is important to understand the biorhythms of your own body and use it to your advantage. The important thing is to work when you feel most energetic and productive. When working from home, it is important to create a routine which could include dressing up for work and strictly observing certain times of the day as work times. Create a calendar to plan your day. Mentally separate your work time and your leisure time. Also have a separate workroom or at least a corner which you can designate as your work zone so that whenever you are there, you are in your work mode. Choose a work area in which you are least likely to be disturbed. Invest in high quality noise cancelling headphones to help you get rid of the distracting noises. It is slowly emerging that lockdown has created some unique problems like boredom and stress. This is attributed to lack of human contact and limited socializing opportunities. Stress is obviously more in people who have either lost their jobs or are facing a reduction in income. But surprisingly, it has also affected people who have a full working life and whose income is not affected at all. Being cooped up in your own home, the feeling of loneliness is intense, and hence it is important to make special effort to be connected. The danger of pandemic is still very evident, and it is not a good idea to be part of any human gathering. The only solution is to e-socialize, and luckily modern technology helps us in this. Keep that conversation going with your office mates, your colleagues, and your contemporaries. Call your friends and people from your social circle. Visit them virtually or talk to them on video calls through Zoom, Skype, or any such other video calling application. Connect through Facebook and WhatsApp. These are challenging times, but one should not only look for the silver lining in the clouds, but actually check whether the cloud itself has nuggets of gold in the form of hidden opportunities. This is Yogin Sabnis, and you are watching the VSK India YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.